welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Exp25 Excel Chapter 12 ML2 Customer Estimate. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyITLab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment EXP25 Excel chapter 12 ML2 customer estimate. There are total 16 questions of this assessment. Here is a project description. You can also read it out carefully for better understanding of this assignment project. You are a billing clerk for VJD Home Renovations, a construction company that specializes in outdoor construction. Currently, your customer estimates are written by hand. You want to create a template to standardize the estimate process to minimize the amount of development time required. You will download and edit an existing template from office.com. You will customize the template by editing fields, adding comments, and creating custom functions using VBA. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name exp25 Excel chapter 12 ML2 estimate Excel. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download this file exp25 Excel chapter 12 ML2 estimate from MyITLab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyITLab dashboard. So the question number 2 is select the range A1 to H26 and clear all data validation that was included in the worksheet. In this question, you will have to remove the all data validation from this workbook. First, you will have to copy this range. Then this dialog box, you will have to type the range. Select this range. Then go to the data tab and go to the data tools group. Data validation. Clear all. And then press OK. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is click cell B1 and enter this company name VJD Home Renovation. Copy this, move to the workbook and cell B1, this one. You will have to paste this VJD Home Renovations. Move to the workbook. Question number 4 is click cell F7 and enter discount rate. Copy this discount rate and enter this in cell F7. F7, this one. Enter discount rate. Question number 4 are completed. Now the question number 5 is Insert the comment. Please enter discount rate as a percentage in cell G7. Copy this. Basically, in this question, you will have to insert a comment in cell G7 and write this text in the comment section. Please enter discount rate as a percentage. Copy this. In F7, in cell G7, here is cell G7. Then you will go to the review tab. Then go to the comment section. Then click on new comment. And paste it. Please enter discount rate as per percentage. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is use the macro recorder to record a macro name sort. The macro should sort the table in the range B9 to G20 in ascending order based on the quantity column D. Be sure to stop the macro record after completion. Basically, in this question, you will have to use the macro recorder to record a macro using the sort operation. You will have to sort the data in ascending order based on the quantity column. Now we will move to the workbook. Go to the workbook. Then you will go to the developer tab and click on record macro. Name this macro to sort. The macro should sort the table in the range B9 to G20 in ascending order. Copy this range based on the quantity column. Be sure to stop the macro record after completion. First you will have to select the range B9 to G20. Select this range. Then go to the data tab. Then go to the sort and filter section. Then click on sort. You will have to sort the table data according to the quantity. First you will have to select and sort by quantity. Quantities are already selected, and the ascending order A to Z ascending order. Then press OK. Be sure to stop the macro record after completion. Now you will have to stop the macro recorder. Go to the developer tab, then click on this stop recording. Question number 6 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is insert a form control button that spans the range I7 to M10. Assign the sort macro and edit the text of the button is to display the sort. Basically, in this question, you will have to add a form control button in the range I7 to M10 and then assign the sorted macro to this button, and our display button name is sort. I7 to M10, this range. Then you will go to the developer tab, then go to the controls group, then click on this insert button, form control button, this one. I7 to M10. This is I7 to M10, this button. Then change the the display name of this to sort. Right click on this, then edit text, remove this default text button to sort this one, and also assign a macro to this button. Right click on this, then click on assign macro. You will have to assign a sort macro to this button. Click on this sort macro, then press OK. Question number 7 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is use the VBA editor to create a new module, then create a custom function named discount. Type the following code to create the custom function. Basically, in this question, you will have to use this VBA code to create a custom function discount. Simply, you will have to copy this code, copy this, then go to the workbook, then you will go to the developer tab, then go to the code section group, then click on Visual Basics, click on this, then you will have to insert a new module. Click on insert and click on this module to insert a new module and paste this code. Also add the last end function. Question number 8 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 9. Question number 9 is save and exit the VBA editor. Type equals to discount this formula in cell F9. Enter 10% in cell G7, 3 in cell D9 and 125 in cell E9 to test the custom function. Delete the test values in the cells D9, E9 and G7 after testing the function. Okay. You will have to type this formula in cell F9. In F9 you will have to type this formula. This one, and enter 10%, enter 10% in cell G7. Copy this, and in cell G7, in cell G7, this is a G7, and type 10%. 3 in cell D9, 3 in cell D9, this one, and 125 in cell E9, E9, 125 in cell E9. As you can see that the 37.5 discount are calculated now. Delete the test values in the cells T9, E9, G7 after testing the function. Here is the last point of this question. Remove these values. We have now completed 9 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, and some exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, MyLab PowerPoint, MyLab Stats, MyLab Economics, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.